How to remove Instagram account from Facebook account. If your both account in Instagram and Facebook are linked to each other, but now you want to unsync them, then this video is for you. To do so, first of all you have to launch your Facebook application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then hit on the menu button which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From here scroll down, there you'll see settings and privacy. Tap on it and select settings. From here tap on your account center. Once you go through your account center, you will see profiles on the top. Simply select it and choose Instagram. Again at last you will see your Instagram username. Simply tap on it and make sure sync profile info is toggled off. In this way you can easily remove Instagram account from Facebook account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.